Hello everyone. This is a very important piece of experience that I would like to share with you. This is a wellness herbs which we have from Sutatva that I've been using. It is very nice. It is an antiviral mix steaming herb which comes in this kind of a box, and it has got about 10 sachets in this box. I've almost used a few sachets, so you can see I have just 4 of them remaining. You must use this, and it can be used from all age groups in the house. I'll just take 1 sachet in front of you. I'm taking it out. This sachet, this comes like this. I'll be taking it out and be using it for the steamer. You just need to take this sachet out. Once the sachet comes out, I'm going to put this sachet in the steamer. This is my steamer, and I'm just going to close the steamer. I've put the sash inside, you can see, and I'm going to close the steamer. The steamer is ready to be used now. I'll put it down and just switch the on, and we'll take the steam. In 5 minutes the steam will be ready to start, and then we'll start taking the steam. You can see the steamer is ready and the steam will start. The moment the steam starts coming out, you just need to put your face like this and take the steam. It's just give it some time, it's going to start. Once it starts, you just start taking the steam. That's how you need to keep doing, at least for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just inhale, because what you drink, hot fluids, only goes from here to here, but the nose, the nostrils, this all goes right from here inside towards this area. So this also needs to be, see, the steamer has started. Once the steam start coming in, just put your, see, it started, it's coming already, and close your eyes. Just take your, inhale the steam. If you want, you can put a towel if you want. I usually don't take a towel because it, it makes it too, it goes for the face, though it's very good for your face also. It'll get the pores open and everything. I usually just put my head like this and take the steam. It is very good. My daughter also, if nothing else, see, the steam has already started. If nothing else, you can just leave the steamer on in the kitchen or in your bedroom and let the steam get on. It also helps in fumigating your rooms. It has got antiviral properties. It is a very must in this time of pandemic. I would request all of you to buy as possible from the websites or from me. It is very, very important for all age groups. See, I'm taking the steam in. You can close your eyes and just take the steam in. Just inhale. Just inhale. 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 And I'll have my daughter also come and take. Even small children, you can leave the steamer on in the room and let the child also, don't let it get in the room, and the child will also be able to inhale without putting his head. You can just have it in the room. It will help him to keep the virus away. I'll have my daughter also come and do it. Come, Kavya, show how you do it. This is my daughter. See, she can also take the steam. She closes her mouth, eyes. You can have a look. She's doing the steaming. It's very good for children also. See, she's taking the steam. Thank you, Kavya. So this is what I would suggest all my friends, relatives, you must try this wellness herb which we have from Sutatva. This is a must-have herb in your house, the steaming herbs, at least this time of pandemic. Please try it and please keep it at home. Thank you, my friends.